Have you been scammed by Axistrade.ai? Many people have been cold called and pressured into fake investments only to watch their life savings disappear. You are not alone in this experience. This story highlights one victim's journey and the hope that now exists for recovery. Pieter van der Meer, a 70-year-old retired school teacher from Amsterdam, received an unsolicited call from someone named Mark, who claimed to be an investment advisor. Mark introduced Pieter to Axistrade.ai, a platform that seemed legitimate with fake TV broadcasts and social media posts. Pieter invested small amounts, saw his balance grow, and added more money. But when he tried to withdraw funds, his account was frozen, and he was asked to pay compliance fees. Eventually, the calls stopped, and Pieter lost £95,000. Axistrade.ai is suspected to be a boiler room scam, a type of online investment fraud. The Dutch Authority for the Financial Markets warns consumers not to respond to their offers. Gridinsoft and Scam Advisor both give the site very low trust scores, citing hidden ownership and scam indicators. The address used is linked to many other scams, and Trustpilot reviews confirm victims never recover their money. There is hope through AYRLP, which offers free consultations for victims. Their experts helped Pieter recover over 80% of his loss by tracing blockchain transactions. AYRLP uses FCA approved methods and forensic investigators to reverse engineer platforms like Axistrade.ai. In the first half of 2022, they recovered over $150 million for fraud victims. You do not have to face this alone. Contact AYRLP.com today.